Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how to dual boot Linux and Windows step by step. Let's get started. You can use any distribution of Linux, but for this video, I am using Ubuntu 23.10. Go to the official website of your Linux distribution and install your desired version. You can see that the file has started to download, but it'll take some time as it is 4.8 GB. So be patient. Meanwhile, go to Disk Management and create the disk partition for Ubuntu. You can use any unallocated space or shrink an existing drive to create a new partition. In my case, I am shrinking my E drive to create a new volume of 60 GB. The recommended drive size is 50 to 70 GB. The Ubuntu ISO file has finished downloading. Now insert an external USB drive of at least 8 GB and follow the steps ahead. Go to rufus.com and install the latest version. Run the .exe file. Now, Rufus will automatically detect your external USB drive. If it doesn't, select it manually. Then select your ISO file and click on the Start button to start creating the bootable USB. Wait for it to finish, as it will take some time. Be sure to back up any data on your USB drive, as it will erase all the data on it. As you can see, Rufus has finished making the bootable USB. Now close the Rufus prompt and restart your computer. When the computer starts rebooting, open the Start menu by pressing your Start menu key. Start menu key may be different for different manufacturers. For example, in my case, it is F2. The list of different Start menu keys will be given below. Navigate to the Secure Boot option and disable it, as it creates problem with dual booting. Then put your USB drive as the first booting option and exit. Select the first option and press Enter. Ubuntu is now booting on your computer. Ubuntu has booted on your computer. Now the desktop installer will install Ubuntu based on your choices. So follow along. Choose your language. Click on Install Ubuntu. Choose your keyboard layout. Click on I don't want to connect to the internet just now, as we can connect to it later. Choose the installation package. Click on Install Ubuntu 23.10 alongside Windows Boot Manager. As we are dual booting, be extra careful on this step. Select the drive that we had created for Ubuntu. Note that the drive size may be different than when we had created it, so don't panic as it won't differ that much. You can also partition this drive so that Windows can use a certain part and Ubuntu can use the rest. To test out this feature, I partitioned 12 GB for Windows and 50 GB for Ubuntu. Select your region and time zone. Enter your details. Choose the theme and click on Install finally. Be patient as this will take a while. Ubuntu has installed. Let's test the dual boot now. Click on Restart and remove the USB drive and press Enter. From the menu, select the Windows Boot Manager. Now Windows will scan and repair the F drive, for which we had partitioned 12 GB while installing Ubuntu. Don't skip this step, please. There we go. Windows has booted too. This is the new 12 GB F drive. You can now do whatever you want with it. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.